SMF Street Traders. We're looking at the weekly chart in the SMF platform. Basically, this is the full, you can see the full chart here now from what, because it's a big chart, it's a market maker chart, and it's very clear, is that I can only get so much in the video at one time. So basically what I'm going to do is put this part of it here. I'm going to go to the brain. I'm going to go to the delta. There's no trend lines except the upper end that was priced, and this is on Amazon. I'm going to go over here and hit 20 deltas automatically, and it priced me the whole market. Priced the market up above. It drew the trend lines for me. Each one of these mathematical lines in this price is $2.48, so people know. And then what's in the black box, what's inside of this brain as far as all these prices go, will be generated in here and in the info panel and everything that we do. And basically, this has been a very bullish weekly trend. And if I click on this bar right here, half bar is 146.27 of the last weekly bar. Write that down. The previous week bar then, write it down. The previous week on 9/6 was 139.53. Write that down. And ultimately, the big breakout bar right here, that half bar was 131. Now, during that whole 3-week breakout, you'll notice that you kept closing up above the SMF half weekly bars. And when that is happening, that's where you get these big weekly breakouts. And once again, whether it's on a weekly, whether it's on a 3-minute, a 15 or 60, it doesn't matter. It's all the same for you, SMF MMTs. So basically, we're coming all the way back up to the tops that happened way back over here. And we've got a very strong trend right here. I'm going to hit this button, and as you can see here, it's calculating all the historical data, gauges, all the points. What we're going to look at here is where the intraday range is at. Let's scoot this over, make sure you can see it, MMTs. You're up here at 97 on a weekly, which also equals a 3-minute or a daily, but you're up above your criteria in your SMF platform. This is all mathematically does it for you. So it meets your criteria that Amazon's going to be a short when the price falls, because in the short term, this move, this 3-week breakout, which was a great breakout, is a little bit overextended in value. It will show up when we start. The half of that bar is the key bar, 146.27. That's the support level on the pullback in your system here. Okay? And I'm going to do the call and the put charts, and you've got those numbers, those weekly bars. Okay? Here's the info panel readings right down here. Half bar, half bar, half bar, and a half bar. You've been ascending in half SMF weekly trading bars at price action support, kind of like you did back over here. Right here. Going up, half of the bars, holding, price, breaking out. We're going to look for the failure. It failed up here in this way. It's also failed over here on weekly charts, just like that. Now that we're approaching this inflated value, what we're looking for is where the deflated value starts in the trend. Right now it's robust. Somewhere every extension in a weekly trend, which equals a monthly chart, gets overextended. They get like this right here. They're always confirmed when you're closing below half of the SMF weekly bar. And then here's half of the SMF weekly bar and its mathematical formula here, and you close below half of that. Look at the big weekly selling. Then you consolidated, could never get back above half of the SMF weekly bar in your platform, and you went down, and then you finally got made in price right here, mathematically right there. And we have that trading video. We traded this in after hours. That's where that print came from. We have that on our live website. Go find the Amazon last quarterly earnings live trading video in after hours, and you'll see it. That was a nice move. So basically, when you take a look, that mathematically we've gone straight down from that high reversal there. This is what reversals start like over here in your platform. And you've got all the data in the info panel. You have all of the mathematical formulas about weakness and strength. And once we get up toward the high, we're going to look for the key reversals. One reversal here again and a reversal like that on a weekly level. Okay, so that's what that is, MMTs. And once again, just so everyone knows out here, this is the SMF MMT platform. It's a market maker platform. It's not a public platform. And these are weekly price barrels within the SMF system with voice alerts and everything else that the MMTs power themselves behind, making moves like that and making moves down like that and making moves up like that. It's been a great trading year. You had one big move here, two moves. You're on your third count. You're on your third count. Right here is a third count. Okay? And basically you can see the big count over here of where that move made. It got made down here. And we went straight up. We came down. We went straight up. We came straight right back down. Tested these half weekly breakout bars over here. Look at over here. We're going to get inflated. We're going to get inflated in that move, and we're going to look for the reversal. When it comes, we know exactly what it has to do mathematically. We know where the turn will be and where the weakness starts to build in, and that we have topped out on this particular weekly trend.